Hello, my name is Sandra and I will be teaching you how to make a messy bun with your short hair. And the method I use, people with the teeny weeny afro can actually do it because it's like just laying your hair little by little, not just packing everything together. Anyways, let's get right into the video, and my apologies for how the video turned out to be. I was using my back camera before. Anyways, so let's get right into it. Hello. Alright, so let's start. This is my hair. As you can see, it's short. I cut it in February, and so this is June, so that's like 3-4 months. Anyways, I'm going to be placing it in a bun so I can use this. Alright, I don't talk too much, let me start. I will be doing a side pattern because I actually prefer that. So what side? Okay, so I'm going here. So I will be doing a low bun, so I would section this side out. I don't have the hairpins, so I have to do this. So this is what I have. It's time for the eco styler. Sorry. Okay, basically I'm just spraying my hair with water and detangling it with my white tooth comb. Then I applied the eco styler, so I'm just doing step by step. So after your eco styler, you definitely need a brush. I don't have that wooden brush with the hard bristles, so I had to use this. So it's basically the same thing. Slick your hair down after wetting it and combing it so you don't have lumps. But it was a struggle for me. Well, just continue watching. So just lay it down, brush it, and try to like handle your hair like you're going to pack it. Like after applying everything, just do as though you want to pack it, so it's put together. I don't know how to explain it, but that's just it. Go in layer by layer. At some point mine wasn't working but just keep on adding more eco styler or gel or whatever you're using anyway.
We go like this. I really wish I had that wooden brush. Oh, okay. Going to it. think I have to lose this one. Look at that, it's really. All right.
Don't be like me. Keep on brushing everything together. I think maybe that was one of my problems. I didn't have the right brush, and
Okay. Right. Last.
I wasn't brushing everything together.
I think I'm going to change.
So just do what works. Just keep on trying. Definitely you're going to ace it. At least I did at the end. Even though I didn't come out with the side parts, I just had to do what worked for my hair. At this point, they took the lights. And I was just happy that I plugged my ring light to my power bank. If not, everything would have just stopped. Yeah, that's Niger first. Okay, I had finally slipped everything, but I was still trying to make it come out smoother. I think that was my mistake. I don't know. I still kept on trying to make sure everything was in place, forgetting that my hair was short. But like I said, just keep on trying. Just keep on trying. Don't give up. So now I'm just tying my hair. You have to wrap it so everything stays in place. At the end of everything, you also need this. So okay. First of all, let me apologize for the previous, how the video was. I actually had no idea that it was too close because I was using the back camera and I'm using the front so I can actually see. So I was struggling a bit, and to be honest, it is hard. You can see some of them are not laid. I don't know how many times I've tried to do this thing. It's not easy, but then you just have to keep trying because you need the look. Anyways, it's not properly dried. I tried using my hand dryer, and you will not believe what happened. You think it's coming off. So I just had to let it be. Apply gel again and all that. So this is it. Has 2 pins on each side. So let's try. But then hope you should get bobby pins to secure it, because you can't just trust this thing to hold you completely. So I'm going to be pinning it down with this. Hopefully it doesn't fall off, because I just got tired of combing my hair, and I have this. I haven't used it. It's like I bought it since last year. I slept with it, it didn't go off, so don't worry. Once you paint it, I'm rushing because I am late. I'm just gonna see my supervisor. Okay, I think it is firm. Yeah. Sorry about that. Laying edges that will not stay, it won't last. So I'm pretty much just wasting my time, but then all right, so we are done, and I'm just going to like go outside to take pictures. So this is what it looks outside. This is what it looks like outside. So I think I'm just going to pin this part down, because yes, when I started the hair, I'm going to do side pattern. If I ever say this, it's not easy. I fought with it. I struggled a lot. I almost gave up. At some point, I was like looking for a tie to tie my hair, but I was like, if the side part is not working, let's pack all the way back. And boom, at least see some. It's like the eco style itself was not working on my hair. Maybe because I didn't want to pack plenty sharp. But then it's still there, it's still functional. So if side part is not working for you, you try to do a center pattern. My dear, if you don't work, leave her. Push everything to the back and into work, okay? I struggled with it and I don't want you to struggle. So if you see that it's not late, just change it sharp. Anyways, thank you for watching and see you on my next video.